Why do you need guided meditation? In a world of constant noise, endless to-do lists, and relentless digital distraction, finding stillness can feel almost impossible. Thoughts race, worries loop, and true peace seems just out of reach. This is where guided meditation is not merely helpful, it becomes essential. And to understand why, we need to look beyond relaxation alone and into how sound, vibration, and frequency shape both the physical world and the mind. Have you ever wondered what sound looks like? Not as squiggly lines on a screen, but as a physical force with shape and structure. This is the fascinating world of cymatics, the study of visible sound and vibration. In cymatics experiments, sound waves are sent through a vibrating surface covered with sand, salt, or water. Rather than moving randomly, the particles organize themselves into precise geometric patterns. Simple tones create simple shapes, while higher, more complex frequencies form intricate mandalas, stars, and lattices. Each sound leaves a distinct visual fingerprint. This phenomenon has captivated thinkers for centuries. Leonardo da Vinci observed dust forming patterns on vibrating surfaces. In the 18th century, physicist Ernst Chladni famously demonstrated these effects using a violin bow on metal plates, creating what are now called Chladni figures. In the 20th century, Swiss scientist Dr. Hans Jenny expanded this work and named the field cymatics, from the Greek chyma, meaning wave. Through thousands of experiments with solids, liquids, and pastes, he revealed something profound. Vibration is not chaotic, it is organizing. Scientifically, cymatics has become a powerful educational tool because it makes invisible forces visible. Instead of explaining waves, resonance, and frequency only through equations or diagrams, cymatics allows us to see how vibration behaves in real time. Engineers use these same principles to study how materials respond to stress and movement, helping design everything from bridges that can withstand constant vibration to musical instruments that produce stable, harmonious tones. When vibration is misunderstood, structures fail. When it is understood, balance and resilience emerge. Artistically, cymatics feels like pure magic. Musicians and visual artists use it to translate songs into living geometry, allowing sound to sculpt patterns in sand or water in real time. Music becomes motion, notes become shapes. Sound is no longer something we only hear, it becomes something we witness. These performances reveal that sound does not merely entertain, it organizes, communicates, and gives physical form to emotion itself. When sound can organize steel, water, and sand so precisely, an important question naturally follows. What might it be doing inside the human mind? This is where guided meditation enters. Guided meditation works not by forcing the mind to be silent, but by using sound, spoken words, rhythm, tone, music, and intentional pauses to organize mental and emotional energy, much like cymatics organizes physical matter. The narrator's voice becomes a stabilizing frequency. Instead of thoughts scattering like loose sand under stress, the mind begins to settle into coherence. Trying to meditate alone for the first time is often like being dropped into a dark forest without a map. You may want peace, but distractions pull you in every direction. Guided meditation provides structure. The guiding voice acts as an anchor, gently directing attention back to the breath, a visualization, or bodily sensation. Over time, the brain learns this pathway and can return to calm more easily. There's also a neurological reason guided meditation is so effective. In relaxed states, especially the theta brainwave state, which occurs during deep relaxation or just after waking, the brain becomes highly receptive to suggestion. This is the same state used in hypnosis and visualization therapies. Guided meditation intentionally brings the listener into this receptive space where new mental and emotional patterns can be formed. Just as cymatics shows that specific frequencies create order in physical matter, guided meditation uses specific verbal cues, emotional tone, and pacing to help reorganize the subconscious. Anxiety softens, limiting beliefs loosen. New inner narratives, such as safety, self-worth, or abundance, can be gently reinforced. Practices like wealth or confidence meditations rely on the same principle. Repetition and resonance create structure. Some researchers and practitioners extend this idea further, noting that the human body is largely composed of water and may be especially responsive to vibration. This belief is echoed in sound healing traditions and ongoing studies, examining how sound influences stress levels, heart rate, and emotional regulation. A well-known, though debated, example is Masaru Emoto's work with water crystals, which suggested that exposure to different words or intentions resulted in different crystalline structures. While controversial, such studies continue to inspire deeper exploration into how intention and frequency may influence physical systems. Ultimately, guided meditation matters because it meets you where you are. It requires no prior experience, no perfect silence, and no mastery. It transforms meditation from an intimidating task into a supported journey. For a few minutes a day, you are not alone with your thoughts. You are skillfully guided through them. In the same way, Cymatics reveals that the universe is not silent but singing. Guided meditation reminds us that our inner world responds to sound, rhythm, and intention. Frequency shapes form, sound creates order, and when used intentionally, guided meditation becomes the tool that helps you tune your mind into clarity, calm, and balance. In short, you need guided meditation for the same reason you need a guide for any profound journey, to help you arrive safely at your destination, one steady breath, one resonant moment at a time, back to a more peaceful, focused, and empowered version of yourself.